Hello everyone, I just wanted to comment quickly on this developing situation that's taken place with the gentleman Walter Scott, who was shot by the officer Michael Slager. I don't know if that's how you pronounce his last name, but this is a situation that's taken place currently where a man was gunned down as he was running away from a policeman. As of yet, it hasn't been ascertained what caused him to run. Of course, this is a racially charged situation. I'm going to decline to comment on the racial aspect of the case, but as we all know, the media is going to run away with this, and it's going to cause a lot of controversy and stuff like that. We all know this. I tend to not really comment on race too much on this video, but I do want to bring to your attention an article that was posted on CNN with regards to this incident. The article is about a newly released video showing the dash cam footage right before the event that led up to Walter Scott's demise. And the video just shows the officer pulling over Walter Scott and asking him for his license and registration. He goes back to the car. Shortly after, Walter Scott decides to make a run for it. When he does, this eventually culminates in the bystander recording the video of him running away from the officer and being shot, which of course eventually killed him. One of the reasons that CNN in this article was speculating as to why Walter Scott decided to run away from the police officer was back child support that he owed. And so I think that's extremely relevant to what we do here in MGTOW and the Manosphere in general. And if it is the case, then we certainly have to address it. This is, again, a developing situation, so I'm not going to prematurely comment, but I'm only going to read verbatim what CNN said in the matter. It says, when asked what might have motivated Scott to run, Justin Bamberg, another attorney for the family, speculated that Scott might have been concerned about child support issues. Scott owed back payments on child support totaling $18,104.43 USD, according to Charleston County Family Court documents obtained by CNN. He had a bench warrant issued against him for failure to pay at the time he was stopped by Slager. And then it just goes on to say, basically, but Bamberg was adamant that the dash cam video does not alter what happened. So, gentlemen, the potential situation and ramifications of this are clear. If in fact this gentleman, Walter Scott, was running from this police officer for fear of being imprisoned due to back child support payments, then we can certainly use this as an opportunity. And I'm not trying to minimize this man's death. A man lost his life. We shouldn't forget that. But we can certainly use this to highlight the fact that this is essentially de facto debtor's prison. And, you have men that are scared of getting locked up, being imprisoned for not having money. And, of course, you don't see this happening to women. You don't see women going to jail for back child support payments that they owe. Because, of course, they get custody of their children upwards of 90% of the time. And even when they don't get custody, the enforceability of female child support payments is just slim to none. So, gentlemen, I don't want to comment further, and I don't want to speculate. Again, I just read exactly what the article read, and that's going to be in the description box if you want to check it out for yourselves. But of course, we need to follow this very closely and see how this develops over time. Thanks for listening, gentlemen.